Hi, welcome back. This is Professor DeFrance. I just want to give you a brief tour of our Canvas page here. So this is our LA Southwest Canvas page for this term. You'll see our syllabus, of course, here. The introduction I'm going to put here. You have my introduction here. The course introduction will be right after that. The assignments, the readings, your weekly instructions are posted right after that. So the very second thing. So if you're ever wondering what to do, it's always posted right here. It'll also be sent to you in your inbox the beginning of each week. Here is basically just a collection of all the video lectures that you will find on this page, just all in one place, just to make it easy. They are also integrated into the units, like where it makes sense for them to be. But, in case you have trouble finding those, they're all right here. Frequently asked questions, it's just a PDF, but it's a good one that I made to look at. And then we have our essays. So the units here are representative of, mainly a concept idea, and you have like one essay and a rough draft. It's basically it for all of those. So in here you'll have actually I'm going to move a couple things around. Well, maybe not right this second. I'll put the essay on top where you submit it. Put that on top. And then after that, you'll have the sample, which are a couple samples here, related lectures, and then in this case, related readings, related links. Second unit, writing about a wrongful conviction. This is a really interesting unit of study. And again, that essay will be on top where you submit it, followed by the samples. There are a couple samples, the lecture material, and then resources. So for this one, there are several, right? There are resources. The Committee to Protect Journalists is a resource that keeps track of how many journalists are imprisoned. And Project Innocence keeps track of wrongful convictions. So those are literally, probably two of the most important websites that you might want to look at in this unit of study. And then we've got a lot of stuff about legal writing, the nuances of it. There's a guide, first-year guide to law. These are more about like finding laws that you might be looking for, and then how courts work. And this is more about like writing about a wrongful conviction, reversing a conviction. How to write a legal essay. The third unit of study is here. We're writing a speech. And there are a number of examples there, just professional speeches, lecture material, and then links, readings that you might find interesting. And then the last unit of study before the research paper is on the novel. You're going to choose either a novel, In the Castle of My Skin by George Lamming, or the memoir, Always Running by Luis J. Rodriguez. And like the other modules, this one has where you turn it in, has the samples, the lectures, and then related materials after that. Let's see, with our research paper, kind of the same thing. You have the research paper. I'll put that up on top. You'll have the lectures. After that, samples, related links. We're not doing that in this class. We are doing a photo essay. The samples are here. That other stuff you won't see anyway. We used to do in-class essays, so the samples are here. These are professional samples. The student samples are after that. Additional lectures, you'll find lots of interesting stuff. The thought of the day, essay writing, how to write basic hooks, the grammar lecture. Lots of basic resources there. Easybib is designed to help you with writing a works cited page. So if you have any, want some help with those, that basically will help do it for you. It's really helpful. Take a look at an analysis versus summary, and assist.org, your transfer resource. This is how we would normally start our day in a critical thinking course. I'd give you a little warm up, and then we would do some writing and kind of warm up towards what we're going to do that day. The extra credit opportunities are here. They mostly come with samples if a sample is necessary. Personal statement, letter to a senator, you can look those up. Just Google that. Samples will come right up. Readings for the course, free writes for the course. So they submitted on top. Those are the free writes themselves. I have to recheck. I'm going to take that off right now because I have to go back and check. Make sure I put that list up there. That's from last spring. Our videos, related videos are here, and links. And that's our Canvas page. So let's see, what else do you need to know? When we do our Zoom meetings, you should be able to click here, right, on Zoom, and come on over to the Zoom meetings on Saturdays that we're going to do. And like I said, you'll receive messages. I'm going to send it out here in a minute, our first one, to your inbox. You can see week 1 instructions are already posted. All right, awesome. I hope you enjoy the course, and let me know if you have any questions.